Hello kids, today is learning counting 1 to 15. Let's go. Wow, this is a very nice, amazing color pen. Wow, this is a red color. Very nice. This is a red color. This is a yellow color. Wow, this is a yellow color. This is a pink color. This is a pink color. This is a purple color. Very nice. This is a purple color. Very amazing. This is a black color. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Purple color. 4. 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pink color. 7. 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yellow color. 10. 11. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Red color. 13. 14. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you for watching my video.